Does your blinker sound like this? Or like this? If yours sounds like the left one, your blinker's bad.
Alright, take 2. Time to change this blinker light on this 2016 Honda Odyssey. I screwed up the first time and ordered the wrong part. Turns out there's 2 different offerings for blinker lights on this type of lamp. So I had to go back and get the right stuff. First you gotta pop the truck lid. Just need a Phillips head. These 2 screws right here. Pushes in. Ticking fast like it was before.